Today we will be speaking about this beautiful car. It's Buick Encore 2015, and in future I'm thinking to buy such type of car for myself. Logotype is ugly, one of the ugliest logo I have ever seen. She has only one exhaust pipe, and she's not lying to you that she's the sport, hyper sport and so on. But these front lights, rear lights, these round forms are giving me a feeling that this car is my friend. Really. That's why I want to buy her. She has 18 size wheels because of what she's really comfortable. Today I am not waiting from her to be the fastest car in the world. No, everything I want from her in this review is her to be economic, comfortable for drivers and passengers, and to have a really good quality. That's the main reasons why I want to buy her. Yes. Now I will not be too criticizing for this car because I do not know the brand Buick. In my childhood, no one from my friends were dreaming about this car. She's not popular in our country. She's not the best seller in our country because all of people are buying the popular brands like BMW, Mercedes, like Toyota, and so on. But if Buick is creating so sexy and beautiful cars like Buick Encore, Buick Cascade, Buick Regal and LaCrosse, I think they deserve to be adored. Let's see. Today the price of Buick Encore is starting from $7,000 in my country. I'm speaking about my country. It's starting from $7,000 and is going up to $7,800, even at $9,000. But the normal price for this car is $7,000 and $7,800. At the same price, you can buy the Volkswagen Passat of 2012, which I hate the most of all in the world, which I had the test drive in a previous video. But from inside, this car already becomes a really big disappointment. First of all, we have check engine here, and I don't know why it's here. And when I was watching the videos about Buick Encore, I honestly watched more than 10 videos. Inside of every videos I could see the beautiful salon, but this car has big problems. Just look what the buttons here happen, what the problem nickel here has. I do not know the English word how to explain what I feel inside this car. I think she's not so old to have so much problems inside. The steering wheel is really old. The steering wheel already needs to be changed. She has the problems, so much problems. Volkswagen Passat had much more less problems with salon than this car. I do not know because of what it is happening. Maybe Buick is not creating really good quality cars, but also maybe the owner was not taking care of this car. Yes, but I don't think the problem with the buttons is because of owner's responsibility. I don't think that this nickel that is broken here is because of owner's responsibility. I think this car has many minuses and problems with quality of saloon. I feel like everything here is from China, from Chinese quality. But of course, this car is not only about disappointment. She's much more comfortable than Volkswagen Passat. She has one big feature which it does not exist inside my Lexus IS, inside my Hyundai Veloster, and inside the previous Volkswagen Passat we have reviewed, and it's the heating of steering wheel. It was big surprise for me when I see that. I am not kidding. I now will take this button. Yes, it is, and after 1 minute, maximum 1 minute, my steering wheel will be much more hotter than now, really. And in the snowy days, in the winter, it is awesome feature. Here on the steering wheel we have multiple functions. It's about cruise control from left side, it's about speaking and radio, sound and so on from right side. It's enough for traveling comfortable, and also we have the small dashboard here which is giving us the information about speed, about fuel economy, about tires pressure, and trip 1, trip 2 information and so on. I think it's enough, but here we also have so small display that she's just, let's see, okay, where is my iPhone? She's a little bit bigger than my iPhone. It's too small, and also it's ugly. This multimedia system is really ugly. We have no CarPlay here, we have no Android Play here, and I know I was telling you that I will not be criticizing for this car today, but she deserves to be criticized. I did not I did not thought that she would have so much minuses from inside. A really good feature of this car is that we have 2 storage places inside. Here it is. I like it very much. I like this idea very much because I think everything in relationships with people inside the house and everything and everywhere needs to have their own place, even inside the car. So these 2 storages are a really good idea. Okay, inside this car I have to say about another feature, which is the size of our car. Size for travelers, for passengers, for drivers. Okay, now we will speak about one paradox, which is I've never had seen such problem in any other cars and in any other crossovers also. For example, I'm big guy, I'm 189 centimeters long, I'm 116 kilos, and space for me is important. Inside the car, space for me is important for me. Yes, and my upper body is sitting very comfortable here. My ass is sitting very comfortable here because chairs here are very good designed. We have big chairs, we have comfortable chairs which also can make you massage and so on. But we have one giant problem. Now I will start recording from my iPhone, my legs, and you can see, as you can see, I have really small place here. I have really too small place inside here. You know what, my leg always is needed to be at this place. I have no chance to drive the car in any other position. I tried to change the seat positions, I tried to change the height, I tried to change everything here, but for me and for my legs here is not enough space. Because of what I feel myself comfortable, and because of what every driving inside this car becomes hell for me. I do not know, maybe this problem do not exist for other people, for people with normal height. Yes, of course, maybe, because I had watched many videos about Buick Encore and no one is speaking about such problem, no one. And also I've never had such problem in any other cars. For example, it's how I'm sitting inside my Lexus. I have really big space for my legs. Even if car is small for me for upper side, for my legs it's comfortable enough. But the same is not in the Buick Encore. I do not know, can I even have such car for a long time? I think I will destroy it because of nervous. Now about the passenger side. Here we have a really big massaging and really comfortable chair. It's comfortable for a long roads. She has the massaging function here, and also here is one problem, because we have no armrest inside for the passenger, and it's like when I'm sitting inside, I'm trying to steal the armrest from a driver. space here is enough for good traveling. Chair here is very comfortable, really. And this design, I think it's beautiful. If we had no problem with these buttons, with these scratches, with this nickel and so on, also with this button again, because they are not working well. Just look, I'm trying. I need strength to just work with it with wheel. Maybe in no other wheels have no same problem, but this will, yes. And yes, if we had no problem with the quality of what we see inside this car, she's beautiful, she's sexy from outside and inside all together. Now let's go to the rear places for passengers. Doors are not heavy, they are really easy to open and to close. And here it is. Here, for example, for my head I have enough space, maybe 7 or 5 centimeters. But for legs, if this chair is not going front, I have no space. Yes. Yes, I have no space if I will not take these chairs in a front place. Oh my god, we have a problem. Inside this car we have the child safety mode. Because of what I'm closed inside this car now, I need help. Yes, I need to. Fuck it. Wait a minute. It's not working? Are you kidding at me? Wait a minute. Oh my god, this car kidnapped me. Now about the size of our trunk. It's not big enough, it's not small enough. Yes, it has good space for traveling for family. If you are not traveling 17 people all together, you can. Oh my god, it was really hard to sit inside. Whew. Okay, trunk size here is normal. It's enough, really enough. If you are not for example going to travel with a giraffe inside. Yeah. Now let's check the speed of this car, how fast she can take from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. I know you would like, maybe, I don't know, would you like on miles or not, but I will do it in kilometers. Okay. Here it is. What is this? Just so slowly. Oh my god, already 10 seconds. Whew. 13 seconds, and maybe 3 seconds were lost before this car just knew that I had taken my feet from brakes. It's too slow. Okay, second try. We are down on a hill. Maybe now we will be faster. And go. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, now we are faster, of course. And do it. 11 seconds while going down on the hill. She's slow. She's too slow. She's very slow. She's really too slow. I do not like it. With the last words, I want to say that here we have car with a good interior, with a good exterior, which is really comfortable. We have car with a normal speed. She's not fast, she's not slow. Yes, I was telling you that she's too slow, but Volkswagen Passat was slower. Much more slower, really. And I think this car worth its money. I think if you'll take care of her, she will make a really good job for you. And I think she's also loyal for a driver and owner who loves taking care of such type of cars. What I will do in the future, will I buy this car or not? Now not, no. I think I need to test drive another Buicks. I think more time to know, are they really good qualities or no? And is this brand a real big and strong competitor of German cars or not? That's it. See you in another videos. Subscribe on my channel. Here we will have fun. Goodbye.